What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up the video, thumbs up the video. Come on and join the fun.
Sweetest thing ever known. Sweet thing. My sweet thing.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Today I'm doing a Mother's Day DIY project. It's budget friendly, of course. Cute, easy, simple, and it's very similar to a project I've done in a previous DIY video, Dollar Tree DIY video. So as you can see here, I got everything I need. I have my hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, my flowers, my charger plate, some snacks, my glass jars, more snacks, a card, and I may or may not use this basket bag, and I may or may not use these super duper cute pantry stickers that I found at Dollar Tree. I got 2 packs of them because I've been wanting to order these off of Amazon, but I just never got around to it. So I found them at Dollar Tree. You get 100 labels and you can't go wrong with some pantry stickers. So I got 2 packs of these, but I may or may not use them. We'll see. I got some scissors. I got my coffee. Hold on, let me get a sip of coffee. While I'm getting my sip of coffee, y'all know what to do in the comment section. Say, hey girl. If you didn't give the video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Give the video a thumbs up. Creme brulee. Ooh, that's delicious. Consider subscribing if you enjoy the content. Click the bell so you're notified each and every time I do post content. And let's get into this project, y'all. So if you watched the previous video, you know exactly the direction I'm going in. But this one is going to be slightly different. It's Mother's Day. If you're looking for something to give your mom for Mother's Day, and your mom is picky like my mom, and she really don't want too much, you know, don't get her nothing extra, nothing outside the box. My mom is very straightforward on what she likes and what she don't like, okay? The items that I have here is what I know my mom likes. She's going to enjoy. So that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and flip over this charger plate. In addition to what I'm giving her here, you can also go ahead and put some, you know, money, a gift card, write a message in a card for her. I'm going to go ahead and take my mirrors and I'm going to take off the rubber stickers on the back. Just pull those off. I already pulled off the backs of the other 2. So I have 3 of these mirrors, okay? And like before, if you haven't seen that last video, I'm going to go ahead and measure these mirrors out before I glue them on. And they're going to hang off the sides a little bit, just kind of make sure they're even. Okay, just like that. So start in the middle, and let's go ahead and hot glue. You can use any kind of glue you want, as long as it is a nice glue that sticks. Let's go ahead and hot glue. It took me a little while to really figure out what I wanted to make for Mother's Day, like as a DIY project, because I know my mom's picky, like I said. So I was kind of like really indecisive about what to make for her. So I figured just stop overthinking it and just make her something she likes. Because I was honestly thinking about, okay, what's going to be a nice video to put out for my supporters and something that they haven't seen, because let's be honest, we see the same DIY projects a lot, like a whole lot, okay? Whether it's on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere. We see people doing the same projects, including myself, a lot. You know, everybody likes to roll the money in the roses and the chocolates and with the toothpicks and, you know, the same old. Not that this is something like that's brand new, but still, it's a little something different to give someone. Yeah. But I was really thinking about, okay, what would be a good project to do? And you know what? I said, I'm not going to do it for the people. I'm going to do it for my mom. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put my glass dishes on top. Okay. Just like that. And my mom loves peanuts. So in this glass dish, which I washed out these dishes last night, so they had time to drain and all that stuff. My mom loves peanuts, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some peanuts in here. And I got 2 of them just in case it doesn't fill up. So whichever snack your loved one likes, put it in there. Okay, we can fit some more in there. So I'm glad I got this second one. My daughter loves peanuts too. So does my husband. So I can save these for them. I'm a cashew type of girl. I love cashews a lot. Okay, so I think that's good. Let's put the top on. Okay, so there's our peanuts. And my mom don't mind some chocolate here and there, so we're gonna put some chocolate in there. I got some Reese's Cups, some Rolos. Got these creamy caramel filled hard candies from back in the day. So I'm gonna throw those in there. Let's mix these in. Okay, I thought about gluing these down, especially if I'm going to put them in the basket bag, but I think I'm just going to leave them unglued unless I put like a nice thick piece of like that good double-sided tape on the bottoms. But I'm just going to leave it like this for now, and when Mother's Day gets a little closer, if I decide to put a double-sided tape, I'll do that. So I'm going to go ahead and check out these pantry labels and see what all we have to work with. And if you want some pantry labels, run to your Dollar Tree because I'm sure they won't last long. So we have all-purpose flour, baking, brown rice, cereal, beans, chips, chickpeas, brown sugar, chocolate. So we're going to go with the chocolate one. Actually, let's read them all first. Black beans, almonds, breadcrumbs, candy, cashews, chocolate chips, condiments, cookies, cornstarch, cat food, cashews. I said cashews already. Breadcrumbs, baby food, cocoa, coffee. Okay, crackers, dried fruits, gluten-free, jasmine rice, oatmeal, oats, kidney beans, granola, drinks, decaf coffee, disposables, dog food, dry food, healthy choice, lentils, organic, miscellaneous, pancake mix, panko, like the panko breadcrumbs, nuts, herbal tea, extras, dressings, flour, dog food, which I need the dog food one for Zuri, pasta, popcorn, quinoa, soups, sweetener, peanuts, powdered sugar, raisin spaghetti, tea, pecans, powdered sugar recipes, spices, treats, pepper, pretzels, rice, sprinkles, wild rice, yeast. It has numbers on here. Sauces, snacks, pistachios, protein powder, pinto beans, salt, sugar, pepper. I read all that. And they have cereal, salt, pepper again, chips, sweetener, rice. So it's just some more of those. Sugar, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, nuts, chocolate chips, cornstarch, organic coffee, granola, peanuts. There we go. So we're gonna take the peanuts sticker. I know it's hard to see. And I'm gonna place it on here. And it's a sticker, so if she wants to, you know, put something else on here, she can do that. So it's really hard to see, but when I zoom in at the end of the video, you guys will be able to see it. But I have the peanut sticker on there. Where's the chocolate? Comment down below where you're from. Comment down below if I have an accent to you, because I did in college. I went to school in Philly. And I want to make sure these are kind of lined up. I went to school in Philly. And I went to school with a lot of people from New York, New Jersey, Baltimore. So there's the chocolate and then got the peanuts. Super cute. And they would laugh like, your accent is so funny. Like, you sound so country. I'm like, country? Like, what? Country? They used to laugh at the way I say it, McDonald's. They're like, wow, why do you say McDonald's like that? I'm like, it's McDonald's. They're like, you're saying McDonald's. I'm like, I'm saying McDonald's. They're like, it's McDonald's. I'm not saying, no, I'm not fixing my lips to say McDonald's. That's too much. McDonald's. It's McDonald's. Then they laughed at how I said water. They're like, it's water. I'm like, water. Water. But the funniest people are them folks from New Orleans and Tennessee. Their accents, I love their accents. Like, love, love, love. Like Toya, Regine's mama. I love her New Orleans accent. And I don't even need to take these stickers off. I'm just talking and just not paying attention. De'Ara, I love her accent. And what's it? Ken and Key? I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, love. I love her accent too. But, all right, so here's the difference between, and yes, I want to get to the middle one too, relax. Here's the difference between this project and the last one. I'm going to put these flowers around on here, just like that. If you're a parent, are you ready for your kids' summer break yet? These kids can think twice if they're going to have me in the kitchen every 10 minutes this summer. I told my mom, I said, listen, I'm going to have about 10 crock pots going each week. Shoot. Breakfast, lunch, and leftovers for dinner. All right, let me turn it. So it's cute. I like it, but it's just a little different. I do have this gold ribbon here to gold glitter ribbon, excuse me, to kind of tie things together a little bit more. And it's sticky, okay. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put it around here, which I am actually. Come on and cut for me, don't be like that. I couldn't find my scissors, y'all, so I got my son's safety scissors. Now the question is, do I want to put this ribbon on here? I think that's cute though. So let's go ahead and put the ribbon on here as well. Now, here's some alternatives. If your loved one likes candles, you can put a candle in the middle. You can do another dish full of whatever they like. Do a whole like fragrance set. You can do anything you want, okay? Like I said, I know my mom, she's picky. So my mom is gonna eat her peanuts, honey. She's gonna eat her chocolate, okay? And she's gonna have her little, okay? She's gonna have her little sippy sip, okay? Now, I tried to find the minis, but I couldn't find them. So I ended up getting this half pint. And I'm gonna put it in this cute little jar because why not? Why not? And I don't got a funnel, but I'm experienced, okay? So why not pour her a little drink in there to eat with her snacks? Because that's what my mom likes. That's what she likes. Those minis wouldn't have done nothing for this anyway. That whole half pint went in there. So get her a half pint then, because that half pint is like perfect. Now, we're gonna go ahead and close that up. Hold on, let's close it up. Okay. I'm just gonna take a sticky little piece of this ribbon. It's like a little piece of tape. And we're just going to tape it down on the back side. Okay, just like so. Now, I'm so happy that this whole half pint fit in that jar, okay? So this is gonna be something super duper cute for my mom's bar, okay? She's gonna love it. She got everything she needs. She already got her shot glasses. If you wanna get her shot glass, go to get her shot glass. But she has her peanuts, her drinky drink. I do not promote drinking. And she has her snacks. This is like perfect for my mom. Wait until I show my sisters. They're gonna be like, oh yeah, that's it. Okay, sign your card, put some cash in it, or a gift card, or a nice heartwarming message. Okay. Put your jars back in there. All right, you can get one of them big beautiful ribbons if you want to, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my pretty gold that I got right here. This is gonna be seen before Mother's Day, so Mom, if you're watching this, here's your gift. One of them at least. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. You're the best mom in the whole entire world, and I wouldn't trade you for anything or anyone. Thank you all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Give this video a fat thumbs up, thumbs up. Happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful moms out there. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Every day is Mother's Day for real, if you want to be honest with it. Share the video, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to notify each and every time I post a video. If you're watching this on Facebook, Lifeasteeelle, Facebook, follow me, follow me, follow me. Follow me, okay? Give this video a heart, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I am out. Peace.